Jamaica good life. This is Randy. I'm a brethren from Manchester and I have some pre-diabetic thing. And we know say they I'm gonna just get that jackfruit one. I know say the jelly look good.
Yeah, man.
How much for one of them?
Just $200.
200. Alright.
You have in meat and water. They're very nice.
Yeah, man, let me get the whole bunch. Get the whole bunch.
Yeah.
Alright, give me some Neesberry too. You know, so when you come through me, I go load up and give me some. And give me some start. Them.
They're very sweet. You can take one and try it.
I know, I'm not gonna try it, but I'm pre-diabetic, so I'm easy, like one a day or half fight, you see me? But how much for it? How you sell it?
$6 a bag.
$6 a bag?
Yeah.
Alright, just give me $300 worth.
Okay.
Alright? It's right now, Randy, I deal with the thing. And give me some Neesberry. I deal with my Fruitopia, you know what I say? Yeah. And that's why I'm gonna try, see if I can hold the money until you forward, you see me? See the coconut people? Man, I've sorted of things. And where you get the yam from?
Manchester.
Manchester straight? Alright, that little one there, you know
No, that one I'm going to check off.
Alright. Look nice.
Yeah, man, oh gosh, man.
Straight to Manchester, so I get my thing from Manchester, people. Alright, how much for the pint?
$150 a pound.
Alright, just give me a pint too.
Yeah.
Alright, set me up.
Do you want more than this?
No, that good. How much that total?
This is 5, 6 a day. We stayed at 9. So that's 9 in total. 9 jelly.
Times 2.
Yeah.
Alright, 1800. Alright, good. Give me that jackfruit. How much for that? 200?
This is 3, this is 4.
Give me that one then.
Okay.
Give me 2 of them. Give me the yam. And how is this so? It's something to take your things then.
No, man, you know.
And give me some of that. Yeah, chop this for me.
You want the meat?
Yeah, man. Yeah. It better me forward to you and just give you the sale as opposed to go to the market, you know?
Yes, sir.
So cause more time what me I go do is when I pass through.
Yes, sir.
Cause become a pre-diabetes, I have to go start drink more jelly.
Yeah, man. I have them freshly picked.
Alright.
And with you, it's all discounted. I
Yeah,
would typically sell these for $200, but for you, it's $150 each.
Give thanks.
Yes, man. I appreciate it. And we want a pint.
Yeah. Movements,
Which one you want me?
just give me a small one. That one there right?
Yeah, they're alright, but that one enough. This right more.
Give that one there.
Okay.
People, see the coconut there, right there, after buying them.
And look at it. It's almost 2. So that's,
Alright.
that's for just 280. You're not gonna put it.
Alright, give thanks. This is Randy, here's my sorrow. Let's hope they will be here tomorrow. I've got back $20. Look at people, make $20 shot for buy a mask in Jamaica. For go buy some mother's chicken, store close at 2. And a good thing me take the change out of the car. But me did have more change in the car, I know more change in the car, I no mask in the car. Me walk around to the no, me have to go bank to go get money to buy a mask. $20 me shot and me say the security, you know $20 me can get. Now people me have to go to the bank in Jamaica to buy a mask to get some chicken and my blood pressure low. You see how life hard, sir? Me say, you can't get no free mask at Jamaica. No free. I hear what I said. They not on the sanitizer, the ATM machine, and for sure, so this COVID thing over here. You see me? Because if COVID thing did real like real price is real to me, like what they must say, then they would have sanitizer at the machine them. You see me? But me can't believe with me I forgot ATM in order to get a mask. Leaders in. No. My bridge always I tell me say me miss him house. Me always pass him house. You pass me lane in brother. Yeah. So right now, what will I do? 7 minutes to Ironshore lane. I'm doing some kind of random drive today to look at the beautiful Montego Bay. I want to send special special greetings out to Mind Your Business and Shut Your Mouth. People, this is what Jamaica Good Life is about. Peace, love and harmony, positivity. One hand driving throughout Jamaica. I deal with the thing. Give thanks to the Almighty for giving life, strength and positivity. Because the world turn up right now. Sorry for all those who have lost loved ones in this beautiful country. The mental illness turn up in Jamaica. The sun hot, money low, corona out the door. But right now, you know, so we're the virtual prime minister of the country. Right now, the bike man, the tire kind of lean, but him still not doing him thing. Dale! So right now, we're going to just drive and do a little driving. Right now, we're surviving in the beautiful Jamaica. This is yours truly, Randy, for Jamaica Good Life. Make sure you hold on to the wife tight, you know, because if you don't let her go and she come down, come check me. Trouble in the family. Come I go cook for her and take her to the beach. And so if you don't have a problem with the wife, just send her to me. Me fix her up nice and send her back. Hey! Wifey, escape from your husband and come check me. Whoa! See the beautiful Montego Bay there? Maybe you're nice, you're hot. But I'm telling you, say, maybe hot, but beautiful for certain spots. Yeah, man. So, University of Technology. Keep right to pass. Alright. So, if you know if I'm going to trouble, just buy our plane ticket and I'll take her to the river for you. You don't have to worry about a thing. You don't have to worry about a thing. I got you back, bro. I'll take care of your wife for you. Hey. Hey. That's it, Randy. In the city, Montego Bay, beautiful and lovely people. Them. You know, I say everything nice. Big up to all the people in Montego Bay. Always show me a good time, and when them see me on them street, them say, yo, Randy, we see you. Oh, go on. I link up some people. And them see me on the thing, and them just give me good love and blessing. So this is kind of what Montego Bay looks like. Somebody told me they want me to go to Rose Hall, and somebody else told me they want me to go to Ironshore. So, you know, when you're abroad and you're looking at YouTube, man of him gold car, and you're looking at YouTube when you're abroad, you're there behind your screen, and all you see when they're talking is you see the gangs, and it becomes personal. It becomes very personal, like these young killers or gang members or them just are run up and down, and it make it seems like them just are run up and down and create havoc all across Jamaica. And that's not quite how it is. That's not how it is, people. I'm not just... Jamaica is not like that where you just get up and people just shoot up the place and run up and down and causing problem and stuff. That's not how it is. You know, most time people...
Turn right to stay on A1, then turn left.
People in a mix-up with people, you know? Okay, Randy here. So this is the famous Ironshore. Okay, so I'm with them big house. Alright. Hi. So Montego Bay has to offer some major homes in Ironshore. All different ball game, yeah, so. Right. So So this is the Ironshore. So we're gonna do a nice little drive through and show you how people are living in Jamaica, in Montego Bay. This is Ironshore. The houses here have them big palm trees and thing. I said this is what I don't understand. This wow, beautiful. This is how I don't understand. So if you guys want Airbnb, just check out Ironshore. I'm driving fast. Sometimes people say, "Let me slow down, hold the camera straight, do this, do that." Look, I'm driving and I'm holding the camera. So give thanks for the view, alright? Because me sure know said the boy them might talk about crime in Jamaica. They're not showing the different kind of life. I'm have to cuss with the viewers then. But like Mandeville, Ironshore, Montego Bay is similar to certain places in Mandeville. Somebody told me about Rose Hall also. So I'm just like for those drive, see house for sale. I'll check out house for sale and thing. Look at that, for sale. Look there. I mean, say if we're not having a thing, I want to sell in the house. I'm not good, man. Buying a house. Everybody I keep saying that, wow, Jamaica crime, Jamaica this, Jamaica that. So, when you start moving through and seeing how people are living in Jamaica, you say, wow, look at this. So this is Ironshore. And I'm just driving randomly. I'm gonna turn back that avenue. Never been here before. This is a discovery tour. This can't be a house. It's a house. A house. Boy, you hear the water run. So, people, sometimes in life, you know, when you talk about Jamaica, and I'm just driving, no specific house I'm looking at, I'm just driving, and driving publicly, just driving, alright? So, nothing specific, people, but just a drive, and showing you guys how people are living. So, in Jamaica, I knew nothing about Ironshore, Montego Bay. I don't know. And some pretty amazing homes that are here. Yeah, life is a perception, you know. I'm sure they have their security and everything. So every time people say things, it's a perception. As you can see, a lot of these homes were built and then pretty private. So people are living their best life in Jamaica. So basically, whenever you, and I'm just driving people, no home specifically, whenever I hear people are talking and talk, them are talking and talk, them things in Jamaica are just ghetto. Everything Jamaica are just hotels. No, Jamaica is not ghetto and just hotels. I pass here already. Jamaica is when I come to places like this for the first time, never seen these things, it blew my mind a little bit, because being in America for so long, 31 years, What if I watch a YouTube video like a guy like me? I talk about, and what if I saw Ironshore when I was 23? Right? I've held $100,000 check in my hands before from a company. So at age 25, around there, you telling me couldn't come down here with $100,000 check and buy a house? Sure I could. But I wasn't exposed to it. The only way you learn in life is when you explore and when people show you things. So in the States, if people only show you crime in one part of Jamaica, how are you going to invest in Jamaica if you only see one part? If you only come on vacation for sale, let's go over this way. If you come on vacation and you don't see places like Ironshore and the homes for sale here, how are you gonna how are you gonna know? And you can feel the breeze, you know, because this is close to the ocean. So how are you gonna know that these places exist? You go to the hotel for 2 weeks, you don't rent a car and just drive with your wife. Look at this. How are you gonna know these places exist in Jamaica? But you catch up on all the YouTube channel them and them plug in the fear in our know. And many of you know that these places exist, but then you say, boy, we can't afford them, you know? So at the end of the day, it's never too late. And here goes something for sale. I'm not going to go on a sale sign. No, to pause the video. Houses for sale over here. Already built. No stress for building. The breeze and the view from the ocean is massive. Everything nice. Wow. Look at the view. So you go up top to Ironshore. This is how people are living in Montego Bay. Yikes. Scary to think that. You know, this is how you just look at that. Look at this. Look at how people are living in Jamaica. Look at how unlike Kingston, the beach, the breeze just a blow here, so it's cool, you know, cause the ocean. So imagine living up on top of this. So the thing no normal. No, go around this. So it's no normal, people. And them have them cookout and them dinner and them private thing. It's no normal how them a live. See it there. It's no normal, people. See how them a live there. I saw them a live in a Montego Bay. Man, I make them wild thing. Yes, sir. I see the pretty house there. Man, I make them wild thing and them a do them thing. It's no normal, so all you have to do is get your protection and do your thing. Politics and everybody that run here say, Randy, you pass my house, eh? It's no normal, people. Jamaica no normal. It's no normal. The wall, the way the man them do the pattern on the wall and thing. The breeze up on Montego Bay. So now me can live on Montego Bay now, buy a house up on Ironshore because it cool up here. Alright, I'm gonna send me the money so I can buy a house. Nice and cool. And the people that know the vibe sets, they must say, Randy, you never know, say, that's where I live. Randy, you never know, say, that's where I live, brother. That's where them all live. It's not normal. So I just drive through like a tourist. I'm a tourist. So I don't take this thing too serious. I'm just to check out the neighborhood and I show people them say it no normal. Oh, them I live round your soul. Boy. Boy. Listen, boy. It no normal. So them take a mountain in Montego Bay. See it there? And okay. Now me I get it now. See it there? So this is, you see how foreign? This is the problem. Now I've been in New York City for 31 years, and what happens when you come on vacation for two weeks? Do you get a chance to see a house like that? When you come on vacation for 2 weeks, do you Airbnb in Ironshore? Because maybe you should, just to see what's going on. I didn't know about it. This thing about exploring Jamaica and looking. So it kind of hurt my stomach for know how much money me did have. And then for know say, sometimes it's your family and your friends. Exposure. So now Randy's like a big brother to you. May I expose you to things in a life, you see? May I expose you to things in a life. There's apartments, probably apartment buildings. The space that these people have with their house, they have a banana walk, fence up. We're not talks, the people don't have their back. Caution, strictly no dumping. Boom, living life. Boom. People just build their house. Boom, house breaking ground. Boom. And the breeze up here, sir? It's very cool. Alright. There's something for sale. I think this is for sale. Boom, Remax for sale. So check it out. When I buy the house, they invite me for dinner. See there? It's a winner. Boom. Okay, this is something for sale. Wow. Look where the ocean is. Burton Road. So basically, look at this. So let's do that. So basically, homes are here for sale. So just Google Ironshore and rent a car when you come to Montego Bay. One thing I like about this, if me have the money, would I buy up here? You know why? The breeze. Like Mandeville, it's cool up here. And that's what you want when you're dealing with Jamaica. And the ocean is nearby. So now Montego Bay has now become one of Randy's favorite places, just because of the experience that I'm feeling here. Welcome to Randy's Lifestyle of the Rich and Famous. Yo, it's cool. And it's nice. Okay, I get your land space. So for the next generation, you have your security and thing, and you have your thing and your thing. If you want, you do your thing. Lot more to say, but Look at the ocean where it is. Take in the breeze, people. You feel that breeze? A beat on your face. Look at that. Open house. I guess you could buy one of those. Look at this. So this is not my last visit to Ironshore. Definitely is my first.